Now this is the CSX Railroad Vertical Lift Bridge. It was built in 1982. It's a pointy plate girder with one vertical lift span. Lift span most likely not operable due to lack of marine traffic. It used to raise for marine traffic and everything, but now it's closed shut. It rebuilt in 1972, partially collapsed in November 2007 when runway core train derailed on the bridge, repaired but put back into service. And it's also used by Conrail Railroad across the Anacostia River, located in Washington, D.C. And they are Washington, D.C.'s movable drawbridges, and then I'm gonna do a video of it next of the bridges in Washington, D.C. And so this bridge is it's one of a kind, right? So now you got trains going over it right now. So and so this bridge is still in service though. But it used to have like both poles on both sides of the lift span, but then I removed that. So now this bridge is located in Washington, D.C.